Hello, students. Welcome to the online teaching and learning platform of English at RPM Lovely Public Senior Secondary School, New Lalpur. Today, we are going to read the chapter The Lost Child, written by Mulk Raj Anand. That is a chapter taken from the book Moments of Class 9. Introduction to the chapter. The story, The Lost Child, highlights the bond of love and affection that the child shares with his parents. Before losing them, he had been demanding different things like sweets, balloons, flowers, swings, etc. So, what happened there actually? The story is depicting about the excitement and feelings of a child who is visiting a village fair along with his parents. And it also depicts how a child lives only in the present and he is not concerned about any other thing. This story beautifully expresses his sense of insecurity when he got separated from his parents. He started losing interest in each and everything around him when he was picked up by the strangers, and he had been demanding different things earlier. He did not want any of these things now as he has lost his parents. The learning objectives of the chapter: to know about the fascinations of the child, that is, the attractions, the excitement, to know about the unconditional love for parents, to know about the bond of affection the child shares with his parents. Now, there is some glossary words of the chapter. When you will read the chapter from NCERT book, go through these words and mark them down, write down the meanings. The meaning of the word lanes is narrow roads. Emerged means to come out of place. Clad means dresses. Lag behind means to go too slowly. Bustling means moving here and there. Gaudy means too bright. Teeming means full of. And repelled means pushed. Note down the points side by side and I'm explaining the same. So, what happened in the story is that there was a little boy, or a child, you can say, is on his way to a village fair with his parents. He runs around excitedly. He was fascinated or attracted in the fair with balloons, merry-go-round, toys, eatables, etc. The child asks his parents to buy him these things, and suddenly he forgot everything when his parents showed no desire to buy him these things. Then he was fascinated by dragonflies, the mustard fields around him. He tries to follow the dragonflies around him. He tries to catch the butterfly that stills its wings to rest. Then the place is very crowded. So the parents were holding the hand of the child. Then the child saw a sweet meat seller. He wanted burfi as it was his favorite sweet. His attention was also drawn to a flower seller, a man who was holding colorful balloons on a pole. A snake charmer was also there who was playing a flute to a snake lying coiled in a basket. He was asking his parents continuously to buy him this or that thing, but he was getting continuous refusal by his parents. And then he saw a ride on a roundabout which is too much for him to resist. So, as soon as he wanted to request his parents to let him take a ride, he saw that he got separated from his parents. Then he started crying, asking for his mother and father. He runs around in panic, hither and thither in all directions. He was sobbing. He did not know where to go. He then runs towards a shrine crowded with people, hoping to find his parents. Then he struggled to find his way between the feet of men, jostling to go inside the temple. Then what happened? A kind person picks up the child and tries to console him. This person tries to soothe this crying child by offering him a ride on a horse, by distracting him, taking him to the place where there was a snake charmer. was playing a flute, and he also offers him balloons, garlands, sweets, but the child is inconsolable now. So, as we have read that he wanted balloons and other things earlier, but now, as he has lost his parents, he only wants his father and mother. He keeps crying for them. He refuses everything and only wants his parents. Nothing in the fair now could tempt him, and all that is important for him now is his parents, from whom he has got separated in the fair. So, the learning outcome of the story conveys that children love their parents unconditionally. As the child in the story, as you could see, was inconsolable because he was crying for his parents, he forgets about all his cravings, whether these were sweets, garlands, roundabouts, etc. So, basically, the message that the writer wants to give us is that we must understand the worth of parents in our life. I hope the chapter is clear to you, and please try to solve the assignments that are uploaded on ERP. Thank you. Have a nice day.